Husk at like alle mine film ude på YouTube med det samme. I får tid til det. Det er bare så I ved det. Så nu ved I det. Så lige lidt mere. Du kan ikke drille ham, vel?
Jo, han gør det ikke.
Så er vi kommet ind ad døren. Vi er kommet hjem fra krammermarkedet. Så nu ved I også det. Det er bare så I ved det. Så er det en der. Pas nu godt på ost. På grund af Bølle. Han tager det fra dig. Fordi ellers så skal du ud og handle. For farmand. Bølle mener ellers, han kan være bekendt af nup ost lige om lidt. Det er det, jeg siger. Louis. Ja, det kan han godt lide. Slet ikke noget. Nej, Louis, på det se. Nu får du da slet ikke din mad. Det kan du godt se, ikke også, Louis? Den ostemad, den holder ikke længe.
talked about that. What would you tell me if she was expecting your child? True. I loved her. She said she didn't tell me. I've been pregnant for. How's your investigation going, Mr. Foyle? This petrol business. Connie Dewar. She used to wax barrels in your brewery. Well, I'm not denying. Yes, that seems to follow you around, Mr. Foyle. Quite the opposite. I follow it. She was pregnant? You and the father? Did she tell you that? The doctor told her she was pregnant father as soon as she left straight into your office. You're married, and the baby would have been an embarrassment. But speaking of the record, Mr. Foyle, she didn't have to have it. No. But I also know people less than me.